And this is Ira. Today we'll be sharing with you guys a very useful tip. Whenever you share a video through WhatsApp, follow this method. This video will help you guys to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure that you watch till the end. So let's start. First you have to go to YouTube. Then you can search for the channel or the video that you want to share. Here I took real image and I'm going to take any one of our videos. So once you have selected your video, just copy the link as you can see. Now I'll be pasting the link on WhatsApp. Later modify the link as you can see. I would like to let you know guys, the link that I'm making now will be available down in the description box. Because every other link that you create until this part it will be the same. So you guys can just copy and then paste the link. So the title of this video is how to make a paper Polaroid camera. So I'm writing the first word, that is how, then I'm putting a plus, then the second word to, then another plus, then third word, that is make, then another plus, then continue so on. This is just an example. You have to do this particular part according to the title of the video that you have chosen. I had made the link, so I just sent it. I am backing my YouTube. Back to WhatsApp. This is the result that we get when we click this particular link. This is just the exact same way that you get when you search how to make a paper Polaroid camera. I hope that all of you really like this video. Thank you all.